Departure Alaska 865, 1000, 5000, 155 heading.
Alaska 865 Heavy, ATC departure radar contact, turn right heading 180, climb maintain 16,000.
Right turn 180 up to 16,000, Alaska 865 Heavy.
Alaska 865 Heavy, turn right heading 240.
Right turn 240, Alaska 830.
Let's verify, Alaska 865 Heavy, fly heading 240.
Okay, heading 240, can we take an altitude of 5,000? Currently working a maintenance issue right now, Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, no problem. Maintain 5,000, just let me know if you need any assistance.
Alaska 865, copy. And departure, Alaska 865. At this time, we would like to declare an emergency. We have to shut down engine number 1. Can we get vectors while we troubleshoot?
Alaska 865 Heavy, no problem. Fly heading 260 and just maintain 5,000. Let me know if you want a different altitude than that.
Okay, heading 260, 5,000 feet, Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, you said you had to shut down number 1 engine, you said?
Affirm. Stand by, we'll get back to you.
Here, Roger. Alaska 865 Heavy, when you get a chance, just let me know fuel remaining and souls on board.
Yeah, Alaska 65, as soon as I get a chance. And departure. Fuel, souls on board, 173, estimated fuel, 8 plus 20.
Alaska 865 Heavy, Roger, thank you. Alaska 865 Heavy, and when you know what you plan to do, just let me know. I'm going to keep you westbound for now, unless you want to stay close to the airport. Just let me know if you need a different heading.
Yeah, as whatever vectors keeps us closest to the airport, Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, Roger. Turn right heading 330.
Right turn 330, Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, turn right heading 100.
Right turn 100, Alaska 865, emergency. Departure, Alaska 865, emergency.
Alaska 865 Heavy, go ahead.
Yep, we'd like to coordinate to stop on runway 8 left and have the fire trucks for inspection of engine number 1.
Alaska 865 Heavy, Roger. Okay, we can work that out. And do you want to, you're inbound for 8 left now, or you still want some more time before that?
We are ready to commence the approach for Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, Roger. Turn right heading 180, and I'll have lower here in just a moment.
Okay, heading 180, Alaska 865, emergency.
Alaska 865 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Alright, out of 5,000 or 4,000, Alaska 865, emergency.
Alaska 865 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Alright, right turn, sorry, descend out of 4 for 3,000, Alaska 865, emergency.
Alaska 865 Heavy, I'm going to give you a turn back towards the airport here shortly. Would you prefer a right turn back to the final or a left turn? It might just take you close if you go left to the final approach fix.
We'll take a right turn, Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, thanks. Turn right heading 350 and maintain 3,000.
Right turn 350, down to 3,000, Alaska 865. And we have runway 8 left in sight, Alaska 865, emergency.
Alaska 865 Heavy, thanks. Cleared visual approach, runway 8 left.
Cleared visual 8 left, Alaska 865.
Alaska 865 Heavy, contact tower now, 118.1. We'll see you.
Over to tower, Alaska 865. Aloha, thanks for your help.
Aloha.
Honolulu Tower, Alaska 865, emergency with you on the ILS 8 left. I'll be a full stop on the runway.
Alaska 865 Heavy, Honolulu Tower, wind 1406, runway 8 left, clear to land.
8 left, clear land, Alaska 865, emergency. I just want to confirm that the fire trucks will meet us, so we'll be stopping on the runway.
Alaska 865 Heavy, affirmative.
Alaska 865. And Alaska 865 is at a full stop at Echo. You guys have a discrete freak for fire control.
Alaska 865, have your hold position there, and the frequency will be 121.1.
Copy 121.1, Alaska 865.
And Hawaiian Heavy, this is Airport Battalion 2. How can we help you guys?
Hey, how's it? Aloha. We had an overheat on one of our systems on the number 1 engine. If you guys could just take a look on the right side, left side, engine number 1.
Okay. You guys are going to stay there, or you guys are going to exit the runway?
We'll stay right here until completion of your inspection.
Okay, let my vehicle set up. We're going to chalk you. I need confirmation your engines are at idle.
We are at engines idle, and park and brake is set.
Okay, that's a good copy. Give us a few seconds, Cap.
Okay, so engine 2 will be running in idle with the parking brake set.
So, Cap, I have my guys on the ground. They're going to chalk your nose, and we're going to perform assessment of your number 1 engine. Just to confirm, number 1 is off, number 2 is at idle.
That's correct. Number 1 is off, number 2 is at idle, and just to let you guys know, the brakes are warming up. We're not getting into the danger zone, but they are warmer than usual right now.
Okay, is this a turnaround? You guys took off and immediately turned around?
Affirmative.
Okay, are you anticipating, did you get an indication for hydraulic leak? Is that what it was?
No, we had a FADEC overheat. FADEC is our computer engine control computer that detected an overheat, and we were told to shut the engine down.
Okay, we're taking an assessment of the number 1 engine at this time.
Okay, thanks. Looks like the number 6 engine, correction, number 6 tire is the hottest. That would be the left tire, rear right.
Okay, left tire. So your inner left tire, your rear, your starboard side, inner right, correct?
That's correct. I'm sorry, port side, correct, port side.
Okay, port side behind number 1 engine.
That's correct.
Okay, we'll keep an eye. And Cap, so the number 1 engine, nothing visible showing. What we're going to do is we're going to take just a temp reading on your port side main.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, just let us know when you guys are all done. Thank you.
Copy. What is your plan after this? Your plan to taxi back in?
Yeah, we're going to be taxiing to gate Alpha 4.
Alpha 4. Okay, let me just get a temp, and then we'll see whether it's safe or not for you to taxi in with that temp.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you.
And Hawaiian Heavy, we're looking good. On the left side, we're not reading above 200. So what I'll do is I'll clear out. We'll just have to report the status of the emergency till we get to the gate, and we'll have 1 vehicle follow you to park.
Okay, that sounds good. We just got informed by companies. They have a gate change just for us. We are now going to Charlie 5.
Okay, good copy, Charlie 5. Just give us a minute to get out of the way. And again, we'll have 1 vehicle as a precautionary follow you to park. Charlie 5, sir.
Sounds good. And thank you so much for the help today, guys. You have a great day.
Thanks, Cap. Glad you guys made it back safe. Where were you guys headed to?
Pago Pago today.
That's a good copy. Safer call. Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot.